Good morning. The Mystic program is coming up in the sanctuary on Sunday, the 4th of February 2018. I'll be facilitating the day. My name is F Doherty. I'm very much looking forward to it. It's a day to explore, first of all, what it means to be a mystic or contemplative in today's world. How do I become one? Which is always a good question to ask. And we'll be looking at that experientially. So while I'll be drawing on various teachings from mystics from the past and the present, it's really a workshop day where I want people to experience something for themselves. So there'll be different mindfulness practice, meditations, and exercises helping people to really embody their own knowing around what it means to be a mystic in today's world. I'm particularly interested in the developmental model from childhood, teenage, young adult, and so on to the older self in terms of psychology and for this workshop in terms of spirituality. So how do I grow and develop and integrate the different parts of myself until eventually I reach into that deeper self, as Eckhart Tolle would say, or authentic self, and make that deeper connection to oneness. So we'll be exploring developmentally how love develops, how relationships develop, and how people develop from perhaps a focus on my own personal development, relating to others, and then getting to know that deeper part of myself that is connected to oneness, that perhaps we can call the mystical side of ourselves. So the whole day will be an exploration. It's an experiential workshop. I really look forward to, hope you're going to join me. I look forward to seeing you there. Thank you.